Imagine yourself in this 1963 Chevrolet Corvette. If you are looking for a first-rate auto, this one could be yours today. Enjoy these notable features: N34 wood-grained plastic steering wheel, A31 power windows, P48 cast aluminum knockoff wheels, premium sound, U69 AM/FM radio, tachometer, chrome air cleaner, chrome Corvette valve covers, and chrome distributor cover. This vehicle shows low mileage and has a smooth ride. A test drive is waiting for you. Call now to schedule an appointment to our dealership.